October opened up awesomely for aviation stocks like Archer Aviation, which had its stock price propelled by achievements like its Midnight aircraft, recently demonstrating its capabilities with record altitude flights of 7,000 and 10,000 feet and its longest flight covering 55 miles. This progress culminated in a successful public flight demonstration at the California International Air Show in early October. Archer also secured a major business victory, partnering with Soracle to establish air taxi services in Osaka, further boosting investor confidence. Archer's financial strength underpins this rally with $1.8 billion in cash and low debt, providing a clear runway for operations through FAA certification and manufacturing ramp-up. Its stock's rise was amplified by high short interest, leading to a short squeeze as positive news triggered buying pressure. Yet there's also been some rather entertaining volatility as Archer's price was pushed up, then later fell back down over rumors Tesla could partner or initiate an acquisition. Rumors deflated during Tesla's recent event that focused on unveiling new, more affordable electric vehicles, with no mention of eVTOLs or flying cars, leaving air mobility investors disappointed. While also demonstrating how easily market excitement can be swayed by Tesla's announcements, even when the actual reveal doesn't meet the heightened expectations. Meanwhile, Archer's electric air taxi peer Joby Aviation raised approximately $591 million through an underwritten offering of 35,075,000 shares of common stock, priced at $16.85 per share. This offering included an additional 4,575,000 shares after the underwriter exercised its option to purchase more shares. And if that wasn't enough, Joby completed another public offering not too long ago of 30.5 million shares at the same price of $16.85 per share, generating $513.9 million. Now, Joby has a market capitalization of approximately $14.87 billion. It's also showcased its air taxi technology with live demonstration flights at recent events like the California International Air Show, performing vertical takeoffs and landings. Then, while air taxis keep progressing towards commercial viability, Surf Air Mobility appointed Sean Pelsinger to its board of directors. Pelsinger has a deep background in technology and aviation, notably as the global head of corporate development and senior counsel at Palantir Technologies. At Palantir, he played a key role in creating the Skywise data platform for the aviation industry and helped establish a partnership between Palantir and Surf Air Mobility in 2021. Pelsinger's experience is highly relevant as Surf Air Mobility continues to develop Surf OS, a software operating system powered by Palantir's AI and Foundry platforms. Surf OS aims to revolutionize regional air mobility with enhanced data-driven services. Pelsinger also holds board positions at Palantir subsidiaries in Japan and Korea, giving him further credentials in global technology partnerships. The appointment strengthens Surf Air Mobility's technological direction, especially as the company looks to commercialize Surf OS by 2026. Pelsinger's legal and strategic background, combined with his experience in navigating complex, data-driven platforms in regulated industries, positions him to contribute significantly to the company's growth strategy. However, even though there's generally been a positive reaction to Pelsinger's appointment, interest in the Surf OS platform still needs to convert into revenue as it continues scaling. And for now, successful commercialization of Surf OS is in part dependent on government contracts, such as Essential Air Service. Yet the projected revenue growth of 34% annually through 2028 and the upcoming rollout of Surf OS keep charging up optimism and decreasing doubts about Surf Air Mobility's flight path. Now, when talking about technical developments in aviation, Horizon Aircraft has secured a purchase agreement with Pratt & Whitney Canada for the PT-6A engine to power its hybrid eVTOL, the Cavorite X7. The PT-6A engine, a well-established turboprop used for over 6 decades in various aviation applications, will be integrated into the Cavorite X7's hybrid gas-electric design. This choice of engine supports Horizon's strategy to operate in remote areas without relying on battery charging infrastructure, offering significant flexibility, as well as aiding the hybrid design that's expected to reduce hydrocarbon emissions by up to 30% compared to traditional aircraft. The Cavorite X7, unlike many eVTOLs that are fully electric, will primarily operate like a conventional airplane for most of its missions, providing advantages in speed, range, and efficiency. Horizon Aircraft's CEO, Brandon Robinson, emphasized the importance of selecting the right engine and highlighted Pratt & Whitney Canada's good reputation. The PT-6A engine's modular design is also noted for simplifying both installation and maintenance, helping Horizon to better target regional operators, emergency services, and military clients, especially with the added advantages it seeks to gain by working on a collaboration with ZeroAvia to integrate hydrogen-electric powertrains. As Horizon stays on course to have its full-scale Cavorite X7 ready for initial testing as early as next year, it completed platform-level architecture and the fabrication of the main wing propulsion units, which are currently undergoing testing. Financially, Horizon Aircraft remains in a strong position with more than 18 months of working capital. It streamlined operations to reduce administrative costs and has allocated resources to strengthen its engineering team. Moreover, Horizon continues to benefit from substantial non-dilutive government funding, ensuring it has the capital needed to continue its work. In the second quarter of fiscal 2026, Horizon plans to focus on the development of power and aerodynamic systems for the full-scale prototype, as well as strengthening technical partnerships and expanding its supply chain. CFO Brian Merker reinforced that the company has sufficient capital, supported by favorable funding efforts in 2025, to advance the prototype toward testing. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.